Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to go into crypto a little bit and I want to show you how you can get some AVAX. Now, for those of you who don't know, AVAX is Avalanche. It's a new decentralized platform where you can transact for pennies or a couple of dollars instead of hundreds of dollars compared to Ethereum. So a lot of people have been moving to AVAX recently. If you look at the rates of growth for AVAX versus Ethereum, AVAX is actually growing 17 times faster than Ethereum. And right now, Ethereum is going down a little bit, but AVAX has been going up. So people are seeing the benefits of AVAX. It's a network where you can actually run Ethereum smart contracts directly on it, but without the crazy cost of Ethereum. So I want to show you how you can get into AVAX and how you can get in while it's early, I guess. But personally, I think AVAX will go at least $1,000 a coin. This is not a financial advice. This is just my opinion. So I want to show you how you can transfer your money from your exchange into AVAX. Now, the exchange example I'm going to do is going to be Coinbase. And Coinbase is it's a public company where you can buy crypto. So if you guys need a referral link, I have a description in the description. You get like a couple of Bitcoin when you sign up. So our goal is to not use Coinbase to manage all of our AVAX, because we want to access all the different AVAX platform, AVAX decentralized exchanges without using Coinbase. So there are a couple of ways to do it, right? The first way to do it is you go to Coinbase and you buy AVAX directly from Coinbase. So Coinbase recently added AVAX and you can buy AVAX directly. You go there, you deposit your cash, you buy AVAX, and as you can see, the price right now is $138 per coin. If you get in there, you buy the AVAX. Now there are two things. You can either buy it on Coinbase.com or Coinbase Pro. The difference is that Coinbase.com makes it very convenient for a regular person who doesn't know much about exchanges or limit orders or all that. They'll just pay some extra fee and Coinbase will fetch AVAX for you for a small fee. It's a bit higher if you do it than compared to doing it on Coinbase Pro. Now, if you're on Coinbase Pro, you can send your money from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro and then just buy it directly from the exchange through the order book. You'll save some money, some fees, and you'll get the best execution for the price. So that's what I recommend to do if you know how to do that in Coinbase Pro. But that's it's up to you. Like if you want convenience, you can pay a little bit extra fee. Now after you get your AVAX, you can send it directly to your MetaMask wallet on AVAX. Now for those of you who don't know, MetaMask is a Chrome extension or Firefox extension, depends on your browser. You can get it and then install it, and then you have a wallet set up. Now you can follow the instruction on the site. It's very easy to do. Now first, in order to set up with a Avalanche wallet, you have to follow a small instruction here. I'll put the link in the description also. You go here and you can set up a MetaMask for Avalanche. What this does is that it sets up Avalanche on your wallet. Then you can create a wallet for Avalanche on the Avalanche network. So you think of like each network having their own set of wallets. So for Ethereum, I'm on right here. Ethereum, I have 0.09 ETH. So I am on the Ethereum network. But if I want to go to an Avalanche network, which is another blockchain, you click on it, and then it shows how much AVAX I have on my account. So this is a separate wallet. Each of them have their own address. And to get your address, you press here, and it will copy your address to the clipboard. You go here. So that's how you get your Avalanche. After you set up your Avalanche wallet, you can go to Coinbase.com and then there's a transfer section. You click on that and you can paste in the address of your MetaMask address. And then you click on that, and you have to make sure you go to Avalanche mainnet and then copy the address here and then paste it into Coinbase's dashboard where you transfer your coins. So after that, after a couple of seconds, you should see new AVAX show up on your account. And then you're set. Now you're all ready to go to interact with the Avalanche network. And it's crazy amount of decentralized exchanges, which I will go into video in the future. And by the way, visit the Discord that I have here. I'll post a link. We have a lot of experts here, and they have a lot of knowledge around this. And check out the stickies, check out the DeFi channel. You get a ton of great info from people here. So I highly recommend it to come in. We'll be happy to have you. We're happy to help you out. So what do you do after you have it? So that's like all the ways to get your money from Coinbase to AVAX. Same thing, or similar things can be done if you're on another exchange. Now, if let's say you have Ether on there, right? Let's say you have ETH on your account. How do you get your money from the ETH wallet all the way to Avalanche? Well, there's a few ways to do it. This is the way that I recommend, which is go to bridge.avax.network. Think of this as a bridge way to get your Ethereum into AVAX ecosystem. They do it via a lot of one of the side chains from Avalanche. So you will get the equal amount of money, like dollar value of crypto, let's say Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever you want, into an Avalanche AVAX. So that's how you do it. And this is the tool, honestly, is what I recommend. You go there and you just put in you select like from Ethereum. So let's say I have, let's say I have 0.09 ETH. I want to transfer all of it to Avalanche. Make sure you leave some for the gas fee, because the gas fee on Ethereum, it's insane right now. So you do that, and then they say, hey, I want to take all my ETH into Avalanche. So I want to transfer it. So MetaMask will pop up, and then it'll tell you, oh, the fee is actually not that bad. It's only $13 right now to transfer all my ETH to Avalanche network. So you do that, you press confirm, and it should just you have to wait like a minute or two to get all of that money. If you do it correctly, you switch your wallet to Avalanche, and you should see the equivalent value of whatever you sent, and it will show as AVAX. So that's the way I recommend it. But if you don't want to go through this, you can simply sell your ETH on your Coinbase or whatever exchange you use, and then just use that money to buy Avalanche, and then just follow what I did earlier, which is to transfer the money directly into your Avalanche wallet. So that's the other way to doing it. So, but I want to show you, like, there are a couple of ways to do different things. You get to think about like convenience factor versus manual. So if you are like not that technical about crypto and you want to be careful, like, the other tip is always send a small tiny amount first, just to confirm the money does show up in your wallet. So that's the biggest advice I can give you. So it really depends on how technical you are about doing this. But once you confirm that you are able to send, like, it really depends on you. If you want Coinbase to do most of the work for you, you can pay them a couple bucks extra and they'll take all the headaches for you. But if you want to do it manually, you'll save some money. So that's the other way around. But I highly recommend you come to our Discord, ask questions. We're happy to help you. Whatever, we'll do it like step by step to help you out if you want. We also got some nice bot commands that you can see all the top cryptos and like all the top coins and stuff. So please visit the links in the description. Everything is in the description. Make sure to follow, like my video if you want to like it. I will be doing a series of all the different decentralized exchanges on the AVAX platform. So look out for that. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching my video.